Hey, Happy New Year! Today's January the 1st, 2025. I think that's the first time I've said that. So if you're watching today, Happy New Year. And I have a question for you. I'm in Mississippi. Is it too late to plant garlic? I don't know either. I ordered some garlic back in the fall, put it in a box, put it in my pantry. I probably should have put it in my refrigerator. But I didn't. Put it in my pantry, forgot about it. I was scratching around in my pantry today because I was trying to find some things to cook my black-eyed peas and make the cornbread and cook a cabbage and all that. Made a meatloaf. Made a, what kind of dessert did I make? Oh, made a peach cobbler. All of that for our very first meal of the new year. Delicious. And while I was in the pantry scratching around trying to find my stuff, I found my garlic bulbs. So I think I'm going to plant them right now. I have a spot in this raised bed and I need to get to it because I have to work the rest of the week. But here pretty soon we're supposed to have some very cold weather in Mississippi. So I want to get this done as soon as possible. This is the first kind of garlic that I'm going to plant in this raised bed. This is King Garlic Oregon Blue Soft Neck Artichoke. I don't know if that's any good, but I bought it from a garlic company and I'm just going to see if it'll do. And I'm also making this video so I'll know what I planted where, because I don't have my garden marker or any little tags. So this is for reference for me also. I'm going to put it back there. I have this little section of the raised bed and that section of the raised bed. Over my shoulder. I've never planted garlic before, but I've watched some garlic planting videos, and they say that you want to plant the larger cloves. So I'm just opening up this bulb here. Urgh. Try to keep that one's pretty big, that one's pretty big. Try to keep the papers on it, I guess. That's what they say to do. These are the little small ones here. I hope this hadn't dried out too much. I don't know. But that one looks pretty good too. Well, what do you think, Mathis?
I don't know.
Well, I'm going to put it in here. It may not do anything. I've tried to plant garlic one other time. I just went to the grocery store and bought some garlic. And I don't think that's the kind that you're really supposed to plant, like to harvest. But that's what I had, and that's what I put in the ground, and nothing ever came up. So, well, here we have some pretty good cloves, I think. Look at that one. That one's big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll plant these 10, and these little ones right here I'll just take to the house. That's a pretty big one. That's 11. That's pretty big. That's 12. Ooh, that one's big too. That's 13. These are the organic blue soft neck artichoke type of garlic. Thinking about Christmas. Okay, I have some, ooh, golly, that is so stinky. I have some plantain that I'm going to put in this raised bed. Oh, Lord. That's stinky, isn't it, Mathis?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just going to do rows. They say to plant them about 6 inches apart. And all of this soil is like new stuff. I've never planted anything in it, so it ought to be good. They say plant like this is the root end, and it grows up here. And what's 6 inches? About like that. This is all a guesstimate. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 right there. One, whoop, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have some more here too. This is one that I want to try. This is early Italian soft neck artichoke. What was the other one that I planted? Don't remember. I don't remember it. This is silver white, soft neck, silver skin. This is what the clove looks like. And I'm going to plant it in this section of the raised bed for reference. These are nice big cloves of that variety right there. So these will work out for me. I got my garlic planted in that little space of a bed. Maybe I'll have some garlic come up. Who knows? It might have dry rotted in pantry storage. I don't know. I've never planted it before, but I'm giving it a go. So, y'all have a happy new year. Bye. This is a big bulb of garlic. It is called Nootka Rose. Nootka Rose. These are good sized cloves too. Nootka Rose. Nootka Rose. I think that's what the tag said. Well, I got it done with just a little bit of sunlight left. I might be able to find my way back to the house. Y'all have a happy new year. Bye.